Today I am going to be fixing a damaged fence. As you guys can see, the gate here, it's in a pretty bad condition already. We will put new hinges. Maybe, yeah, I think that board is in a pretty bad condition, so we will have to replace it. The wind broke, I believe, or just unnailed these two sections, but definitely it broke the post. So we have to replace this. And a sag post on the back. Well, maybe we will put new hinges and hardware on the gate. It's a pretty busy street back here, so we have to fix this as soon as possible. That's why they called boundary line fence. And I showed up. All right, time to get going. We've got work to do. The fence has been fixed. The customer wanted 2 posts replaced, couple boards, and adjusting the gates. We could fix more boards, but the customer only wanted us to do a certain amount of them. The gate has been adjusted. We changed the hardware and the top rail. We fixed the post. A couple boards. We fixed the gate here. And the post has been fixed. On a busy road, we want to be as fast as we can to get the fence fixed. It's not good to have the properties open when there's a big yard and a street like this. Okay. We try to keep the plants alive.